Yeah. Hi,
Hi,
Pratisha.
Sushmita. Yeah, hi.
So, can you please on your camera?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Sushmita.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, share your screen and open the VS Code.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Sushmita.
Yeah, yeah. Please open the project you have done.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the certification portal. Just open it.
Okay. Yeah, Sushmita.
Okay, this is a project you have done.
Yeah, yes, Sushmita.
So, what are the files you have used here? You have created some backend folders and front end folders.
Yeah.
So, can you explain these all just one line of all this?
So basically, what we are doing, we are importing all these things because of to write an exam. So the exam will be included with email, passwords, and exam results, resume, and um, with the timing, and all those things will be included in our project, Sushmita. So in that, what we are giving is, so when we are the main user, when we are given credentials, for example, I'm an user for that project, so that I give an user and password, so that the other person will get an email, they have to write an exam, and they get like a password with mail, what the mail they have to use in the exam portal, and how much time they have to write an exam, all those things will be goes to the person who wants to write an exam. So in that exam, after opening that, it will be shows like you have to given credentials like password and email. So after giving that, they entered into an exam portal. So in that exam portal, there is an languages they have to choose, like Python or Java, like SQL, C, whatever they want to write. They have to choose. After that, they have to write an exam with an multiple options like questions with an basic options and coding questions. All those things will be there in an exam portal. After that, opening, they shows like there is an email. The create what we say. The person who are writing an exam, there is an email at the top corner, and when the user will start an exam, it displays like timing, so that what it does like how much time they are taken to write an exam and how much time remind after an exam. So after that exam closing, there is an option like to have to submit the exam. After that, it shows how much time remaining will be remain. After that, there is an result how much there is an correct answers, and how much are wrong answers. If they written like wrong answers, it displays the exact answers also. After that, it shows the scoring, how much percentage they got in an exam. um, After that, they want to retake in an exam, there is an option like to you have to retake in an exam. So it's our what we say, um, it's our opinion like we have to take an another take like another take, or just leave it. So that is an about an exam portal, Sushmita, what we are created for an user to write an exam for the Python language or any other languages.
Yeah, okay,
So
good.
the reason is, we are given um, like we are using like only Python included in this code, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah,
So here you have created backend folder and frontend folder. So
yeah,
you have taken some files in backend and
yeah,
you have taken a file in frontend.
yeah.
Okay.
So backend is, yeah.
So what is only the backend? Just explain me all the files in just one line. Like what is the purpose of
So
this backend
backend
file?
will not be shown to us. So what it mean like there is an errors like 401, 402, 403, and all this will be there. If there is an any invalid passwords or invalid mails, it shows like 401, 402, 403 errors. So that all will be given in the backend to run the project. All the URLs and all this will be like for the resume purpose, like exam resuming and exam portal, how design what we are designed, that all will be in the backend, Sushmita. And front end, what it does like front end like we it visible to us. So like we are writing an exam visible to us in the in an separate page. For that page we are given 8501. For the front end, like it shows in a page like 8501, and back end will be shown in the 8000. So in the documentation only back end will be shown, and front end will be shown in the 8501 page, Sushmita. So it all things will be like this is an URL that is an back end. And this is a certification portal. So after opening the front end, the page title will be NMK certification portal, and layouts like we are using the Streamlit. So all these things like questions, this all are will be in the back end. It will be not shown for us, but front end will what it shows like only exam, login credentials, and retake options. So time remaining and time started, that all will be shown in the front end, Sushmita, that will be visible to us for any user.
Okay. So just open the requirements.txt.
So yeah. Yeah, so these are all the things we are used for an front end and back end, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can I run
Open.
and show you, Sushmita?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So in the terminal, what we have to like, actually we are created all the environments for our project so that it directly showing when like a virtual environment. So in the backend, for backend running, we have to give Unicon backend app. What is a backend dot app dot main colon reload. So this is an terminal what we have to give in the terminal to run the backend.
So what database you have used in your project?
So database we are using like SQL Chemi.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
So here, deep.
Just a minute. I will run and show you, Sushmita.
So for Streamlit, so for front end, you have used Streamlit, right?
Yeah.
So what is the use of this Streamlit?
So Streamlit is nothing but um, for the convenient purpose, like what we say, um, it it is an basically it is an Python framework, Sushmita. Like it what we say to interact it interacts very fastly.
Yeah, good.
It is a web application mainly like without needing HTML, CSS or JavaScript, we can use Streamlit, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah.
So, so here we have given an expiry, so if you create a token, for that
Yeah.
token you have created some like expiry date or if the token is invalid. So what happens if any expired or invalid token is set?
So actually, we are given a timing for the tokens. So I show you. So just a minute. My laptop is stuck.
Yeah, okay. So do you know about the tokens? What is JWT token?
So JWT token is nothing but uh, like it is an JSON web token, Sushmita. It is an secured and um like what it does like it transfers the user's authentications data between the client and server, Sushmita.
Okay.
Yeah, for the authentication purposes, to avoid the server session storages, we can use JWT tokens.
Yeah, okay. So can you please
Yeah.
explain me the workflow of your project?
Yeah.
Workflow. So you have created the project, right? So you have an
Yeah.
project workflow is there, na?
Yeah.
Like user can log in and then
Yeah.
he can write the
Actually,
exam.
yeah, okay. First of all, what we are given is user registration and login. After that, it goes into an JWT token corrections. After that, there is a dashboard access, and after that dashboard access given, it shows the assignment to write an exam. And after giving an credentials, it is there is an start exam, and there is an time executions. After that, there is an answer submissions, and there is an auto submission, and there is an evaluation, and there is an result display, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So for backend you have used Fast API, right?
Yeah.
So what is the use of this Fast API?
So Fast API is nothing but what we say. It performs high, Sushmita, like for the Python. what we say, it is a web framework to build an REST APIs using Python. It can build, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
By taking
So,
REST APIs, it can build a
yeah,
project.
oh, okay. So you have used backend folder and front-end folder. So you have created two folders for the project. So
Yeah,
if you want to run the project, you need to combine those folders, right?
yeah,
So how,
Sushmita.
yeah, how can you, like, how can you interact those two files to run the project?
Uh,
You have to connect those files, right?
So we are given in URLs, Sushmita. So for an front end and back end, there is an URLs. We are connecting to back end to front end and front end to back end. There is an connections.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So what is this email utils.py is about?
So emails utils.py is, so like what it says, like um for an user we have to give an exam, right? We have to give an exam portal to write an exam. So for that assignment, um, we are sending the user credentials to the another person to take an exam. So for that purposes we are giving, there is a server, SMTP server, and there is a port, and email from where the email will be going to the user, and password. And we are creating like there is a subject like NMK certification exam assigned, and from where it going from email, and for whom we are giving the exam to, like what we say, um, for which person we are assigning an exam. All those things will be in the emails dot email utils dot py. So
Yeah,
here we
good.
giving like message equals to email instead of, there is a subject, and from the user, what we are giving the exam, and there is an password, emails, and exam, in which language they have to write. All this will be goes to the another person to write an exam, Sushmita. So
Yeah,
all this will be like here, and there is an URLs what we have to send, and all this will be here, Sushmita, like server, and they printing login into an Gmail. After that, server login, there is an sending email, and after that sending message, email sent successfully.
yeah, okay.
If
So I think,
it's sent to a person, it will shows here like email sent successfully, Sushmita.
yeah, okay. So
Yeah,
I
if
think
there is any error, yeah,
you have used this nmk logo.png logo, right?
yeah, Sushmita.
So you are adding this into the app.py file. So
Yeah.
where you have added this?
So we are taking like there is a function, Sushmita. I will show you. So this is an logo. By taking HTML CSS, we are giving the logo, Sushmita. In the
Yeah,
front end, we are giving nmk logo.png, right? So there is an st.image of what we are given, like what we are saved file. We are giving here, Sushmita.
yeah, okay.
And there is an alignment, height, and margin, left or right, like pixels, style, all those things will be remains here, Sushmita. What we are given, it will be shown in the front end, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, there is an color and margins, font size, and font weight, colors. um, and the logo will be in the color of NMK certification portal, at the back side what color it wants. So everything will be given here only.
Okay. So what are the endpoints you have taken to do this project? So to do this project, you have created some endpoints, right, in main.
Yeah,
You have created some endpoints.
yeah,
So what are the endpoints you have taken here in your project?
like HTTP.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you have created some endpoints for starting an exam, resuming an exam.
yeah.
So these are all the
Like there
endpoints
is
you have
an
taken
endpoints like
in.
post, auth, login, and
Yeah, yeah,
get user.
yeah. Just open the main.py file.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, yeah. So these are all the endpoints you have taken.
Yeah, Sushmita.
Yeah, good. So your explanation is good.
Yeah, thank you,
I
Sushmita.
have seen some lot of improvement.
Okay.
So so that's it from my side. Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, Sushmita.
Pratyusha. Thank you.